My name is Michelle Arias. I'm studying mechanical engineering. I was born and raised here in Provo, Utah, and my family is from Peru. My dad came here to study manufacturing engineering, and he worked on the Streamliner vehicle that broke the world land speed record. And to me, that inspired me so much, and I was just like, wow, you could just change the world. I was also looking at engineering because I love mathematics and inventions so much, and yeah, so now I'm here. I have been researching since I stepped into BYU as a student. I started researching in vibrational engineering science with a vibrating and heating brace and a vibrating bed to help those with insomnia. Then I switched over to biomedical engineering, where I learned how to grow carbon nanotubes for implants, specifically spinal implants. I started doing my own research project, and I written my own abstract for it, and I submitted that abstract to UCUR, a undergraduate conference, and I presented my research there. Now they're asking me to submit a publication for their Curiosity journal, so I'm super excited for that. To me, Women's History Month is everyone's celebrations of all the women's achievements I've done for this world. They have done so much. They worked so intensely for STEM and civil rights, and it's just a strong reminder of how grateful I am and how excited I am to contribute to our growing world. I always loved Ada Lovelace. You could go way far back. She was from the 1800s. She was a computer programmer. Not only that, she was the first computer programmer. She was completely way ahead of her time, and she is just highly intelligent. I also love Mary Jackson. She helped NASA win the space race, completely changing the world. I also love Margaret Hamilton. She's the woman that stood next to her giant stack of papers up to her height of code, all handwritten, that she wrote by herself, that helped us launch us to the moon. And she was also the lead software engineer at NASA, which is absolutely phenomenal, and I just love looking up to all of these women. Initially, belonging was a bit of a bumpy path for me. Coming here to BYU, being Latina, being a woman, studying engineering, I always wondered, like, who can you look up to? But then I quickly realized that I could be that person for others to look up to and help others be inspired and to come serve their communities, no matter what their burdens are or no matter who they are. To me, belonging comes from the heart. It's a lot more of just an acceptance. It's involving all of those and loving all of those around you and growing your community, basically. When you're finding yourself, when you're figuring out who you are, and even throughout these hard times, let your burdens be your superpower. Let your diversity be your building block. And through that, we will get through it all and just keep growing as a world together.